The NEU-JKF Group supports you in your transition to the future of the maintenance industry with a new smart monitoring tool designed to bring your dust collectors and industrial fans at their best. Our new digital tool analyzes operational information in real time from your aerolic installation to reduce unplanned downtime for maintenance and monitor energy consumption from anywhere, anytime. The NEU-JKF Connect web interface allows you to access the dashboard of your installations for optimized monitoring and analysis. Access to a wide range of data and parameters allows for the detection of up to 14 measurements, such as filter media pressure drop, fan motor vibration, and power consumption to ensure optimal equipment operation and increase productivity. We understand the importance of responsive customer service. Chat live with our team of experts to remotely analyze the situation and obtain rapid assistance in the event of an alert generated by your monitoring tool. Our facilities guarantee employee protection and health, process safety, energy consumption optimization, and increased productivity through improved machine availability. Limit the wear and tear on your machines with precisely planned interventions and get detailed and dematerialized reports. Save time and money managing your installations with the latest Industry 4.0 advances. Contact us to learn more about our new digital and preventive solution.